Hey, what's going on, guys? So I just wanted to give you a quick update. I told you I would update you on every single thing that I'm doing with my Amazon FBA journey. So my last video was that it was taking forever to create my business account, right? So basically what you have to do to verify your account to sell on Amazon with an LLC, which is what I made. I made a LLC for my business. Well, I made an LLC, which is my business, so that I can sell on Amazon. So they asked for a verification method, and the verification method is a bank statement. But when you create a business bank account, you don't get a statement until 30 days after you create the bank account. So the problem there was I wanted to create my bank account, create my LLC, create my bank account, and then create my Amazon and pretty much purchase from my supplier and start selling right away. Like I thought this was going to be just like a do this, do this, do this, and then you could sell. Simple as that. But yeah, so I ran into that problem where they wanted a bank statement from me before I could actually make a listing go live or anything. So what I ended up doing was requesting a transaction history from my bank, and then I uploaded that to Amazon and sent them a little additional note with that's all I could get at the moment. And they were fine with that, so that's good. So if you are just creating a business bank account for your Amazon seller, just get a transaction history from your bank and then upload that if you're having the same problem that I was having. So anyway, I made my purchase about 5 days ago from my supplier. The exact total was $1,300 and $1,325. So $1,325. I ordered 300 units to start. I'm hoping that'll get me 3-4 weeks, and then I'll order again, hopefully with a little bit more. But yeah, I have a lot of faith in this product. I've been researching for probably a month now, every day for some days longer, some days not as long. But yeah, I found a really good product, high demand, low competition, which is what you're looking for. Obviously, I'll make another product research video in the future once I actually know that this one was a good product. But yeah, so I ordered it, and now what I'm waiting for is my shipment. I made my listing. If you guys like, I'll make a video on how I make my listings. Like I said, just updating you along the way. I kind of want to do this so that you guys can join me if you're trying to start Amazon FBA and see that I literally am just starting this right now. Like I'm not someone who's been doing it for a while, so maybe you could relate to me a little bit more because we could help each other out, and I'm literally just starting as well. So I'm sure I'll make a lot of mistakes, but you learn from your mistakes, right? So yeah, I'm waiting for my Amazon shipment or my shipment to Amazon to come in right now. I just got the tracking number from my supplier, so that's good. I tracked it, and it's in Hong Kong right now. I ordered from a Chinese supplier, and it's at the shipping center. It's DHL Express. So once it actually ships, which I'm hoping will be tonight, which will be daytime for them, it should only be 3 business days. So by the end of this week, excuse me, I'm hoping it should be in by then. Yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update. And if you have any questions for me, or any video ideas, anything you want to know, I'd be happy to do some of that stuff. I could also pull up my computer, like record my computer screen for you guys if you want me to show you exactly how to make a shipping plan or exactly how to create a listing, exactly how to upload pictures. I could do any of that stuff for you guys. So let me know down in the comments. And if you're starting FBA right now, let me know what phase you're at right now. I'm hoping my listing will go active within like the next week. So super excited. And then it's just about launching the product. So I'll make another video about how I'm going to launch it within the next couple days. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.